Welcome to Learning Fun with Tales. Question 1. Which animal has black and white fur and eats bamboo? Panda. Question 2. What do astronauts travel in? Rocket. Question 3. Which animal lives under the sea and has claws? Lobster. Question 4. What do you see when you look through a telescope? The moon. Question 5. What do you use to water plants? Watering can. Question 6. Which animal can hang upside down in trees? Bat. Question 7. What grows from an acorn? Oak tree. Question 8. What do pirates use to find treasure? Map. Question 9. Which fruit is green outside and red inside? Watermelon. Question 10. What comes out when you blow soap water? Bubbles. Question 11. What do we wear on Halloween? Costumes. Question 12. What can fly but has no feathers? Balloon. Question 13. What do you find at the end of a rainbow in stories? Gold. Question 14. Which bird is the symbol of peace? Dove. Question 15. What do you use to take a photo? Camera. Question 16. Which insect changes into a butterfly? Caterpillar. Question 17. What do you build out of snow? Snowman. Question 18. Which animal has a hard shell and moves slowly? Turtle. Question 19. Which planet do we live on? Earth. Question 20. Which bird cannot fly but can run fast? Ostrich. Question 21. What comes in a cone and is cold and sweet? Ice cream. Question 22. What animal lives in a hive and makes buzzing sounds? Bee. Question 23. What has pages and tells a story? Book. Question 24. Which tool helps us see tiny things? Microscope. Question 25. What do you wear to swim? Swimsuit. Question 26. Which one is not a vegetable? Strawberry. Question 27. What makes thunder in the sky? Lightning. Question 28. Which is a reptile? Snake. Question 29. Which vehicle travels on tracks? Train. Question 30. What do you build with bricks and blocks?